Good morning, all. My name is Reyansh. I am in class 7th. I am from Newton International School. Today I am here to express my PPT presentation, and its name is Rocks and its kind. Rocks. All solid materials of the Earth's crust, whether hard or soft, that makes up the Earth's crust are called rocks. There are three types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are formed by cooling down of magma. Sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are formed by depositing, hardening, and cementing together of sediments of the particles both by wind, ice, or water. And last, metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks formed when igneous and sedimentary rocks get changed due to heat and pressure. Thank you.